Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here in Porte, Texas, on a roof install. And the interesting thing about this install is that we actually worked on this house about a year and a half ago. And they had a brand new roof a year and a half ago. The thing is that there was a recent hailstorm earlier this year, and that hail damaged the roof enough to where the insurance company came out, took a look at it, and said, hey, you guys do need a full roof replacement. Okay, so now if you were to just go to this house and look at it from the ground, you would not have necessarily been able to see the damage to the shingles. You could see the damage to the window beading and the gutters and things of that nature, right? But you wouldn't actually be able to see it on the shingles. Now, if you're in a place like Round Rock or Austin where they just had hail like that size, on a roof that's close enough to the ground within eye shot, you could probably see the damage from the ground because it's very obvious. But when you have smaller hail, the thing about it is what people don't realize sometimes is that even that smaller hail can cause damage, right? And when it does damage the shingles, when it does impact the shingles, water can get through. It can soak the underlayment or the black felt paper that's underneath there, and it can cause damage to your decking, right? So that's why, even though this roof is only a year and a half old, that's why today it's getting replaced. So just a little bit about this install. The guys are moving along pretty well. We've got the underlayment on. We're about to start installing the shingles, and everything's moving smoothly. Check in with you guys later.